So the biggest focus on any silhouette that we touch is to really maintain the integrity of the design. The Jordan 11 has such an amazing history, and it's such a classic silhouette. When working with the team, we really wanted to enhance what was already there. So we dove into different leathers. We wanted to spin the classic design, but in a unique way.
For the upper, we decided to replace the ballistic nylon with a nice premium tumbled leather. We did a tie-dye tumbled leather in replacement to the iconic patent leather on the ram. When you think of tie-dye, it's really about giving something new life, repurposing it, or even revitalizing it. So switching that iconic patent leather to a black and white tie-dye really gives it a fresh look.